Serving is the first skill in volleyball. It is used to start the game. There are three types of serve: underhand serve, overhand serve, and jump serve. First, the underhand serve. The underhand serve is the easiest type of serve. You hit the ball from below. To do this, stand with one foot forward. Hold the ball with one hand and swing in your other arm to hit the ball upward. Keep your eyes on the ball and control your movement. Next, the overhand serve. The overhand serve is stronger than the underhand serve. You toss the ball upward and hit it above your head. Raise your arm, then hit the ball using your palm. Make sure your toss is not too high and aim forward. Lastly, the jump serve. The jump serve is an advanced skill. In this serve, the player jump and hit the ball like a spike. For safety, I will only demonstrate the arm movement without jumping. Timing and control are very important in this serve. That's all for serving. Thank you.